I'm Robin Polt. I'm a professor of chemistry at the University of Arizona. We convert the body's own peptide neurotransmitters into glycopeptide drugs and exploit the body's own natural healing processes to treat conditions such as stroke, Parkinson's disease, and other issues. Most recently, we've discovered that our drugs can be used to treat disorders in the eye. We think this will be a particularly short pathway to drug approval, since the side effects of the drugs would be limited to the eye socket and not to the heart and lungs and other organs in the body. Well, there are a number of disorders of the eye. One prominent one is neurotrophic keratopathy, which is caused when the nerves in the eye start to fail, and this happens to people typically over 60, and the blink reflex is inhibited. And we don't think much about a blink reflex or how often we do this, but whenever a piece of dust lands in your eye, you blink to get rid of it. If that reflex is inhibited, you can get neurotrophic keratopathy, which ultimately causes you to have surgery to remove these keratopathies from your eye in order to continue to see. We really need a clinical partner or someone that has access to clinical patients to take this drug all the way to the clinic. Certainly we've shown that we have effects in mice and rodents, and some of our drugs have been out-licensed to go toward the clinic, but we really need a clinical partner in this, or someone that can sponsor a clinical study.